So here we have started the topic fundamental concepts, and we are going to do which terms? Like terms. Identify the like terms. Now here you know the meaning of like terms. Here we need the same variable. Here we need the same variable. How? See all the terms. Here we are having 2ab. There 2ab is there. Here we are having minus 2a upon b. Third, minus 2 by 3 ab, 6 by 5 bc, 3b upon a, which are same. Here we are having ab and here also we are having ab, so we are having the same. We need always same variable. So these two are which terms? Yes, these are like terms. Some are thinking that they both also same, but no. Here we are having a upon b and here we are having b upon a, so they are not same and it is bc. In second part, c, which are same. Here we are having 5xy square and same we are having here also c 0.2xy square. These both are same, so these both are which terms? These both are like terms. Any more? X square y? No, these are not same. It is xy whole square, so it is also not same. Degree. How to find the degree of a polynomial? It is the highest power of variable in any term. It is the highest power of variable in any term. Suppose we are going to find 8x square minus x cube plus 2 by 3x. How to find highest power of variable in any term? So it is 3. Answer is 3. Second part. Second part is 7y cube plus 5y minus 1 upon 2y minus 6. Can you find here degree? No, we can't find because it is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? See, when you will solve it, it will become 1 by 2. Here it is 1, then you will, when it will go here, it will become y power minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Some are thinking this also. So see, what do you mean by polynomial? Polynomial means power of a variable is always positive. Power of variable is always positive. Can't find degree here.